Hey guys, so a lot of you were having trouble yesterday trying to access the Get More Math pre-assessment review for today's Unit 1 quiz. So I'm going to make a quick little video to help you get there so that way you can get the practice before taking the real thing. Now you do have two chances to take the Unit 1 assessment. It takes the higher grade out of the two, and I would, if I were you, I would take the first one and then see maybe what you're struggling with and then study, watch some videos, and then come back and retake the second one. Again, remember you can use a calculator. There's also access for you to actually hear the questions if you need them read, and what else? And I think and there's a calculator in there too if you don't already have one. But again, I'm going to show you this quick video to get to the Get More Math so that you can at least have some type of review before you take the real thing. So you're going to go to Clever, you're going to log in with your Aldine email, then you're going to go to Schoology. I'm going to click on, obviously you're going to click on your math class, and I'm going to view this as a student so that way it's what you see. Okay, then I'm going to click week 3. And I'm going to click Thursday where the Get More Math assessment was yesterday. And I'm going to click here where it says Unit 1 Pre-Assessment. Okay, now guys, if you scroll up and read the directions, it says if you have not created an account for Get More Math, please do so. It's a grade. So you're going to have to create an account first if you don't have one yet. And it gives you the class code. So if you need to do that still, you need to click here where it says no account, create new class code, and you need to create an account. If you already have one, perfect. You already have 100 in the gradebook. It says use the calculator or make sure to begin the exam. After you answer all 21 questions, click hand in at the top of the screen to receive your grade. Again, remember, it's just a completion grade. It's not an actual grade. This is just for review. So I'm going to log in with a username that I created as a student, and then 6815 there. Okay, and so I'm going to log in, and I would click save, guys, if I were you, so that way you don't have to worry about remembering your student ID, your username and password. So I'm going to click save, and it says welcome back. Again, you don't have to watch the video, so you can click close on that. But if you notice when you log in, it says new exam available. Guys, when there's pop-up windows, you actually have to read them. It says your teacher has allowed you to begin taking an exam. You can begin the exam now or start it later from the menu at the top. So if you click the X here and it goes away, okay, then you're going to have to access it over here. But if you click begin exam, it'll take you to the exam. Okay, so I click begin exam. And okay, so it takes me to the exam. There's only 21 questions, okay? And then when you're done, you click hand in exam. Now, if you did not click this at the beginning, okay, so let me exit here. Okay, so I'm going to go back. And say you didn't click begin exam right away. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to log in to show you that if you didn't click it, where you need to go. Okay, so it gives me the same pop-up window, welcome back. Again, exam available. If you click dismiss the first time, then you need to go to the little 4 lines here, the menu bar. Click the menu bar, and it says exams and follow-ups. Click exams and follow-ups, and it'll take you right to the exam, pre-assessment unit 1. You click it, and it'll begin for you just like that. And you click hand in exam when you're done. Okay? So again, and it shows that I've already missed that one question. Okay? So you have to go in order. Okay? All right. So hopefully this video helps you find the review. Hopefully you take the review. Again, it is a daily completion grade. And then you take the Unit 1 exam. It is open today. Okay, grades will go in today at 4:30. So please make sure that you're trying to get the exam done before 430. Again, you have 2 chances. Please make sure you're using a calculator. And I hope this helps you. And if you have any more questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.